In September 2024, I attended a grizzly bear photography workshop with 7 other photographers. The workshop was held in the Great Bear Rainforest in British Columbia, Canada. The Great Bear Rainforest is one of the largest remaining tracts of unspoiled temperate rainforest left in the world. The area is home to cougars, wolves, salmon, grizzly bears, and the spirit bear, a unique subspecies of the black bear. The trip was hosted by the Klahoose First Nation peoples at their remote wilderness lodge, and Matt Shannon, our professional photography host. I would like to thank the Klahoose Nation and the employees of the Klahoose Wilderness Lodge for this incredible once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. To get to the Wilderness Lodge from Vancouver took a 30-minute plane flight. Then a 1-hour shuttle ride, and finally a 1-hour boat ride. There are no roads to the resort. To say it is remote is an understatement. On our way to the resort, we saw these sea lions basking on this rock, barking and generally making a nuisance of themselves. And now we continue on to the resort. After unloading our bags and taking them to our rooms, relaxing for a few minutes, we went into the dining area for dinner. The food was out of this world, not what you would expect at such a remote location. What? Is that blueberry cobbler with ice cream for dessert? After dinner, we were welcomed with the official Klahoose welcoming ceremony. And French toast with blueberry maple syrup and blueberry banana smoothie for breakfast? Oh, leave some blueberries for the bears. Each morning we boarded our boat Goat 1 and traveled 1 hour to get to the area where the bears were. From there, we boarded a bus for a 4-mile trip into the wilderness.
I'm not going to jump into the water, but it might. But if you're just shooting at a high, fast shutter speed, then you're bound to capture the action. We only want to slow things down if we want our ISO to go down to have, better, cleaner images. Yeah. It's okay. Exactly.
The Klahoose have logging operations in this area. Here you can see the crane dropping steel cables that the workers tie around the logs to secure the logs. When the logs are secure, the crane pushes them into the water where they are dragged behind boats downriver to their final destination. There were 6 viewing platforms that we used that were spread up and down the river over about a half-mile section of river. And we would go to one and spend 20 minutes or so looking for bears. If no bears showed up, then we'd go to another one. And we would just bounce between them as the bears would move up and down the river. And each day we spent approximately 5 hours running up and down the river between the towers in a bus. We didn't walk, we used a bus. And again, about for 5 hours of photography each day.